for Mama Kwaba be more Heaven King TV so and then be my back up Collins. Yes, I have a beam. Yes, I have a can as a panu beam. And at the end, can you miss him? In your beam back one, I invite you. Our back can now brother Moonsem, the experience. Oh, I'll come to actually. Ania,
I was here.
But you are going there.
Yeah, don't pay.
I
feel
going to have to go. Heavy King TV.
Video.
Now, me modi.
Yeah.
Pesa one kasa. Bodi na chire be free.
Yeah. Okay.
Sabe pepe.
Me da se be brepani. Say wa ma me akwanya we say me so be mra platform no so.
Sir.
Me pa share friend me set. Me free Ghana. Bi Branhafo. Bachwane.
Branhafo say dos.
E dos Krobia e friend Drobo. And with German district.
Germany. And they go Europe.
Much other Europe.
I say to me, I say qualification. Yeah. No make us be ahead the Germany Abagana.
Exactly. Very possible.
Oh. Hey. Sa teach my Drobo.
German.
Then I'll be PM or Italy as a Swiss.
Yeah. Men can say maybe Pimo Italy, Brana Misha, me parents and me buy. And internet Namaswa, maybe P or Italy memo, Sebio, men can say, do her offense so. A do her, obin a coffano ba,
sir,
or flight now about. But maybe dear no, men can say, Yamiantum, me that me papa say, on the coffame buy.
I don't want to go on say no see no. I don't want to me and come no Munishira. The Munishita day, I mean at the Bemo.
Amen.
Sabe pepe. Na a futu no near quantum of money whom experience no out of the million for 1 per se or more banner.
Yeah.
So it might be a more futu a gram or more in church a crowd.
Okay. Medas after 4 will show me what would see me and any refrain. Our Heaven Key TV so our YouTube. I went to a idea. Your bass as no, ye are going to fall. Na anya danya ni papa so sua de na hu bibi na obobra ne edimu ya. I just want to kwai.
You're correct.
Usha anase wanyi ena wutu kwan a ni nyina na eye. De ehia na se dwumadi a wo kwa kodi no ena oma wani ekoso. Botaye esi wani so a wodi tu kwan ena ewose odwen ho. Akwantu enye obia na yebo no ba wi ase se ontu kwan.
No prepa.
Enye obia ene so ene obedi yi ewa brabom.
Sir.
Kitu bia wo bia na ewose wani je ho. Me ebia me nya opportunity etu kwan. What when your opportunity ni earn to kwan no. Baby I want utimi bobra e mani ye.
Yes, it's all fighting.
Sir.
It's all about fighting.
Fighting.
Okay.
Na akwantu se wo to kwan Africa na aba Europe. Wo to kwan Africa na akọ UK. Wo to kwan Africa na akọ US. Na oko Japan, oko another countries no. Enya bone. Nanso no humbutaye a esi wani so wo kwa akodi. Na ebeboa wo. Eni ntino akwantu emunsam edoso. Akwantu wutu a ebia na wangohia ni papa ebia na wutia nkoyeye ebia na akwantu mu enye wo destiny no
sir
eni ntino babia wo bia na wo bobra na bia yere wo ho esanse se wutu kwan ba akwantu mu na wanyere wo ho a mobra no a sebio ubetu kwan so no sebio ebia na wakwakwa abaye osansani wa mobra
abrabu ja positive o mo hwese o de shen di beba fi
bibi beba eni ti amede ye sha asa me kan se I was a uhu butaye ntia wo tu kwan butaye odi si wani so odi tu kwan enye se oti se me da asa no ma kra so
oh
oti se ye tu kwan asuma si otu kwan wakwa kodu ebia wo be sha se ebia na wo nkodu
sir
na to se ebia ba bia wo na wo bobra no wo sha se wo anka obedu
o tim chire no kwa
sanity akwantu mu nsam doso akwantu mu nsam no yekase yeka edoso
now say on say o kan say o mo do buy na usa na usano a ono bae no se na brabo no
Yeah.
esi take fire utimi ko school gakra
me da se bebre se wama me sa question na bisa de emudo pa me bae na me ko school me free gala bani nyina no na ma adwen ye me se me ba Italy ye ka se me ba Italy
do basika kro
sika krom de room me ba pop krom what I say me ba pop krom but me be do ye no ma adwen ye me se me ba be to school so but adia ba ko a me hu ye me wura kro no ma me hu ye first thing snow
blog
kwa
akikiu
me ndada bra
achio
ehwa etimi moraso
opagana sara ko bie
me se timi sunsun so
that means ko ko back no
me nya ya ka me san kwa
wo nya ko be sa ko Ghana
me ndada
futuro no
me ndada
me tena blog no
sa obi a wo tu kwan na se bio wo first wo pie fi play no ma ye do wo lande ye na nkasa na
that's no
na wo pie fra bantina so anya fe na ayare wo se mo ana aja ye di ko fie me kwashe school ase nti na me so mo ka English no knowing say enye kura ye kan English wo so hwe obi a wo tu kwan na wo aim any objectives ni ye say wo go so English na what me dey abobada wo ba ya English ayen kan bi
na na o project o plan ye
what was in the city and it is when you be a why be mu do na you are ready to fight every battle and no kra na bet my dey atwa asan
no kra fa
e bebu obam enti wa hwa ba bia wo se wo du no mutimi ndu enso no ba bedu kro no mu wonya brochi obeba ba obedu kro no ma se bio yen kan English no ate usunsun so enti be sa ko back na so e bia wo se wo mewadi na wo ye den usua enti mi ba ya na mi enti no mi miamani mi ko school a mi school bag book ayemu ma dictionary
ko uni na de ko ko uni
sa why di bia make bia wo se osua
ya semu ne obreyo
me bre pa me bre but ade abo am say esuno bia ne na adoma chede
sa
adoma chede obi are ne de enti mi e ba ne languages a me mfane ne difficult me mfane difficult
bra ne nyamia shira no ate nyamia shira
and it's no challenges ni be a language barrier kasa hard but mama eno endi mi so enti ebia na obi hwe Heaven Key TV ebia na adwen ye ne se abrabo no ebia wa go school ebia na adwen ye ne se babia wakwakodu no e wakwantu mu no kasa no wonte eni nti oye bibia enyi but umia wani na obo homadia obetimi betimi
eno na bibia na ka no abia mo hwe se mo ya subscribe Heaven Key TV a esremo na mo subscribe ayere amaye na mo share amama dofufu a mo babi bia sabe pepe minia
ebusia
ndi sa no is school no
yeah
wako what kasa no
yeah
what mi
wie we say Ghana system of education no quite different aha no okọ senior high edu 5th year
yes as what university
very good and obi want me could do 3rd year but no I want to be university me man university but
what my
5th year no
fire
ma menka asem easy menka asem we enfan share obi a wo hwe Heaven Key in crime ye share school nas na ye 39 in a class ye be school na ye 7
na mama kan mu ja omo
and then abrabo no because un say odi ade si wani so na o pese udu a I was say we struggle every hard bia so obedu because me course na me choose electronics na me pese me telecommunication but me do no why telecommunication every and then was me electronics and electronics obi aso ani je ho
sir
but at the end of the day no obia the exercise e ma ne ya yetimi wie ye na ye di pass 7 out of 39
na 18 because after 39 it's 7 it's my media that means a course no
what was it
was powerful
very powerful BBO and into no school no there make us a meeting me even though my man go varsity deɛ but at the end of day no me bɔ me ho mɔden sɛ metumi awie 5th year no
yeah I know kwano ti ma unsa no dwuma ye
very good
one so one go school
very good sanity
what is that go say
sanity because so ba na one go school na won so na sɛ bi won take asa na ebe how mistakes aya na ebi mo taye ne yese oba otu kwan a ompese obesua kromu okasa odi na adwuma sa but covid bring me hu say enema asesa bibia e appointment endi say wonnima say bio oba so nim ono ntia
why na be the appointment
why na be bibia ma
you first hospital you better bro na oba be da ha say
sanity
me ba no say what die how you ngatwi o
ya ngatwi ba won sinicity here and it no me we school no so bisaya me we 5th year no nyame adom
o ya de abo ho na anya bia sisi waware
ba cho me nyaware me nyaware
ware
dabi
na den
se adie bia no eyemre
se mre bia
ebre na ebre bi wo ha in favor nipa ebre bi wo so say favor ebre no so a ono ankasa de ne ho ba eni ti se ebre no so na e de ne ho ba
ase ebre no so mo de omo ho ba so e
omo de omo ho ba se de yesu san ne ka ze bze ye di agrobi ye se hwehwem na yi umpena
and be hwehwem
se eni de wontimi mfa bia sa
so mo nya so se so e
omo nyina sa anya da bi di da bi achi
atu sa
ebi da bi achi
you go on NBC yesterday or Heavy King TV so ti ba so nya subscribe ya say da bia mo money agent mo subscribe mo na mo share mo nua no mo so nya bi sa pe
eni ti me ware
o be ware da
oh yeah this year me ware
this year we are
this year
enti
the order no
this year we are
me catch ni fa da order say this year me ware to mbo ana
sister next time no hwe
o sha mbo ana
so na be ware
ono ana do order
o ba fu nyina da
do order
on to be
oh me say do order
sa no say abrochire wa hu you a lot of experience and faces facing your brain
sanity
be the same juma say this animal na obi a is a person ko worry but mu say oh what to me ma personal issue mu ye but mu say say na go pon ai na do mama unsa ka dia wo hwe why you ho boy yi amanya me yi bia ma odie
sir
because bia can no bia be friend me say bia me fa blood number man na me say bia me dey say ma ko phone foforo
oh there be some lines no do so enti so ofresi the obe friends no
ofresi you am me dey be bumi o
ani ya fa ba kan ma no
okay mati no ofresi ba kono so ado ofresi we me so me dey bumi o da me so me twa fa chi sa this you know me ad ma feel
afi wo nyame boa afi
34 se mo ye kana me nua be ma no se afi we den a obeware the sister e bia enya wa one frame na ye one so na wa frame no wa wo bibia be support nua be ma no so no yeah we fa Heavy King TV so ani sabe kana wa be damase so se da bia ye na nti sisi ano you Italy
isane
ako school we we ya juma yankopo say hu kan yasara ma ni yankopo wa ye bia ma
o nyame de wa ye bebre ana de nyame aye bia so mani so because abrabo no mu no brepayin se dani nyina de siwu nsam bia no se wani anso a wani nso kese keto abra ma wani nso because abrabo no wintimi embo enkodu the full level and it se keto bi na wa ma wani nso school na wotimi ko ya ma wani nso se wantimi ankwa no ba bia wo pese wodu ma wani nso because ba bia wadu no bi ndui
sa pepe
obi nya waye
muso na mi nshira na me bisa ne se wo according to ne wa fam ni nyina no ne de wa suya ne pepe so be do sisi e like with makasa obi away experience of life one say you we no biti se no ma you know me see so o ma hwe ase you we no koto bi ma afira mo so den e free ever advice ben and a football ben and a bit in the amount so for be no fun to o wana mo abrabo
okay me da se bebre brepo yin the metima kan say the wadi kan no the wodi akire esua the edi kan
sir
se opese wo du ba bia wadi kan no adu na opa ne ho a usua na namo
Sir.
e bia de ka se mu no through Heaven Key TV no enkomodie bebre ebekoso
Sir.
otibia sua bi but de me de eta achire ene se abrabo anyam prebre ho eye nkakra wontena fa ho ufri baako na okomienu entena baako ho no ma eniti eni di so bomodin edin obi obaka chawo se abrochi eyemre obwa
No.
do obekti maka chawo se Africa eyemre obwa Ghana nyemre abrochi enyemre.
Time is money.
Everything. You need to know how you spend your time. A very, very important. Time can never be recovered. Embre won't me enza reverse no.
Sir.
You need to know what is so and our bobra afena woba. Ebia sabre why do you say over time? But you don't have time. Why do you say me yen watchna? You don't have tomorrow to depend on. Want me depend on china so. And you know, so what's this now? What did BBS when you saw person ya? Do it now.
Sir.
Jenny Sabre ma one morning because if you're not china winya morning. Sabre if your opportunity be. If you are china winya that kind of opportunity. And you know the American in Agos say Abrochi and the last destination of a man success. Abrochi abroad is not the last destination of a man's success.
No power.
And need to know if you are in Africa, you are a young girl, a young boy, start making life there. The future is Africa.
That means say answer with my so we are cry.
Yeah.
That means someone shall say over there.
Yeah.
Their background is from school. No?
From school, home, everything.
That is good.
Yeah, what Simba can say charity begins at home. And it's about every
So I'll crash no bus here. Shall see.
Dear enamo edebaya abofra na de be mana akobokro no.
Sir.
Ebia na bi o wo bi but on fa mane ba. Enti ne ba ne be mana akobokro no.
Sir.
Enti no ye twa o why ye na ye wa bridge ni ye feel say we have the opportunity to some extent. I could do pepe so be but we don't have the maximum opportunity. Yeah, COVID year be ye no ema ye mo bebre nya nke be san go back to Ghana.
Yeah,
because COVID na anymore. Your whole company is very less.
Oh, dear Ghana.
What was the city? And you're very less. And it's when you're young, you're bet my home free. Just 1 year new. You go so extra nose mask. And it's no life is at everywhere. And you baby, our Africa, man, Ghana, and Wumbu Ghana. Ghana is a place that you can develop. Ghana is a place that you can make change. Sometimes we look up onto more Africa.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah,
you don't want
because we go Ghana was a sit down.
Yeah.
We go Ghana.
Yeah.
Why what than come?
Oh, that they were very good.
But yeah, we're being still no. You're still on hustling.
You're hustling. What is it? I need to know what is now when you be more in cordial. So what on so crap when you come home. Take very serious of everything that you are doing, because life is short, not to enjoy. Life is very short, not to enjoy. Abrabona yebono, yebra yewonisha. And it is when man di ubra, sebu waha. And I make when di ubra nyese disco, kobabra bobone, ya dia ebeso when you beje and impuntu bebro. Now okokra bomuno, udro one ma when he beje say before so e be bobra. And it ene me diso faso.
Mama fly! Why say can there be our having game TV so there be a dinner papa never bremo. I won't cause a monche, no monche mama tea for my force or more don, some many be a kind of fabi, no the 2 home for. Sabe pepe or having king tea. Patch of your sister, subscribe what it. Subscribe, mammy. Na
subscribe will be so when you ebia na mpeke. Yeah, can't you say San Wasso?
San Wasso beam. Or the boss comes home say, I don't know.
Yeah.
About
and
pepe. Say, can you he's saying, what do you know? Go to one for? Must work to me for because you only have to.
Yeah.
In this ano. Oba
yeah.
Stava con
Stava con. o sister sister ba ko me na aka ma se
ah say dey e be mi
so so na wo sie me di me ja me ye hu yi me ye hu yi ti wa na o ka wo sa ma fo ka na frefre
so so o ka say
sister
o ka so ba wa na say ya
sister ba ko no susu di ekira wo ba
so
ti di we di ekire ni sua di edi kan
okay
so no so ba
yeah, that's it. Therefore, it didn't be massive. Say that's what Otimba a platform so or having King TV so now teaming be me say adventure football way say be me inu ko to say say yeah no cry no a boti pen e betimi afa bi na so boy bra say be na ye ko wo odofo bi so person chi obi a na so we chi obi afinisha pa on say afini ya wura foforo mu
sanity
be no entimi anfrɛ from you know
yeah
Makwenya is not far.
Okay. But that's be brave. Ma me mfa akwanya we so na menta Heaven Key TV. Me ndo mo asepa se omo e ma me akwanya yi se me so me mla omo platform no so me ndo mo asepa. Na me mfa akwanya we so bi mu na masan ada ma wofo asepa. Sise bio ya o me amba wi ase a ankase bio ba bi ma du no. Kamenui minu achi na so babia madunu mani so babia madunu ena momoso ena amamadu babia madui eni ntino so bi ti mi a se ye hwewo ya hwewo de si wo wasetem mu bia no sada wa wofo ase eni ti medama wofo ase mesan echi o mo babia mo bia a o mo behwe Heaven Key TV na o be hu se o mo ba ho fefo akukwa mpanyin se mi sha mo bia no na je se me do ma se sanso so na omo aboa me wo asetene mu mabra bomu me sha se ye wo me to ho nge omo dware me omo mbehwe me omo so me nsa emame omo to ade che me omo boa me e wo sikokro mu me nantie mu me kwane me ba futuo mu ni nyina mu no obi a woni mu bia no me da na se Michiano. Misaichia Bema Bakubi DJ Clifford Teacher Poco Kwadaba Dema Michiao Squad Nina Michio Bibiara Misaichia di Chatokra Mira Onankwan Soba Michiana Edanasi
Odo ye umu so mechia obi obi obia no yakopon shira so na bia enwie peye
sa usome da wase
say ye fra wa uma ototo wana si ye na o men saka o Heaven Key TV so Rabani
yes sir
me da si bi
misunya me shira bibli
so ye nche be sra ko part 2
ye ba ko part 2
ene de akon ne ya nchira nko aggressive sa ntino next one part 2 ne be aggressive pa o de mala bobo ne maso ye be wo so e pusu num na tene kan sa pepe c'est damasé atie fona refo ye da munyina se mre nyina no munya emre e de meden e ma Heaven Key TV na mo hwe yen na me enshira mo no nya mo